The XLERATOR is the original, patented, high-speed, energy-efficient hand dryer. It is the #1 selling brand and continues to set the standard in the industry. With more than 5,000 distributors globally, XLERATOR is used by facilities around the world to save time, money, and the environment while creating more hygienic restrooms. XL Dryer is a family-run company that prides itself on manufacturing the only hand dryers that are made in USA certified, as well as achieving many industry-first awards and certifications. Our expanded and enhanced product line delivers the latest state-of-the-art technology for maximum hygiene and sustainability. Isn't it time for you to throw in the towel?